Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about how to code Minecraft mods, as well as the various types of mods that can be created. We'll be providing you with step-by-step instructions on how to create a very simple Minecraft mod. To begin with, what are mods? Minecraft mods alter your gaming experience in a variety of ways. Some of them are purely decorative, while others have an impact on the game's mechanics. For example, you can choose from various Minecraft mods, such as those that allow you to have more control over your graphic settings and thus have a more smooth gaming experience. Modification is represented by the abbreviation mod. Consequently, a Minecraft mod will be used to alter the game's behavior in this instance. In other words, you have the ability to cause events to occur in the game that would not usually occur in the real world. To help you better understand this concept, let's take a quick look at 3 different examples. Imagine that your character is nearing the end of their health bar and they are surrounded by opponents. Running a mod that restores your health and provides you with weapons to defend yourself would be ideal. You might also want to build a house or any other structure right away for whatever reason. Instead of spending hours building that structure by hand, you could use a mod to place it anywhere in the world with a single click of a mouse. Final option, we could take things a couple of steps further and run a mod that creates a mini-game within the game itself. Alternatively, this mini-game could be a multiplayer game in which you and your friends must progress through a series of levels, collecting items and battling against various opponents. All of these examples are made possible by the power of the code. With all of the various resources available on the internet, it is becoming easier than ever for anyone to create mods. It is necessary to learn how to make mods to be able to run all of these amazing ones in Minecraft. Modifications are available, but where can I get them and what do they cost? Let's start by addressing the most frequently asked questions that people have when attempting to obtain mods on their servers. Keep in mind that you must exercise extreme caution when visiting websites on the internet, and even more so when downloading and installing files on your computer's hard disk. Thousands of websites host Minecraft mods, and the number of these sites is probably in the thousands. Minecraftmods.com is one of the most well-known websites. Keep in mind that the vast majority of mods require Forge to function effectively. Users can install and run Minecraft mods using the Forge program, which is available for Windows and Mac OS X. Also, before you begin downloading and installing programs on your computer, check to see that you have an antivirus software program installed and that it is up to date. Another point to remember is that when looking for mods, look for those with positive reviews. Is it possible to get free mods for Minecraft? Yes. The vast majority of mods available are created by other players who wish to share their work with the community at large. Given the abundance of free content available, you should not be required to pay anything in order to download or install mods on your computer. If I want to make my own mods, how do I go about doing so? With today's technology, the ability to code your own mods is fairly straightforward. Application development can be accomplished through the use of tools such as Java and Forge. It will be necessary to install a number of different components. First and foremost, you'll need to download and install Java, Forge, a text editor, and of course Minecraft in order to be able to run and test your code. Once you've completed the installation of these components, you'll be ready to go. Alternatively, a website that automates the majority of the work can be used as a substitute for the human element. Use of Learn to Mod requires the presence of a website that can deliver modifications directly to your server without the need to install anything else. These mods are hosted on a multiplayer server, which can be accessed from within the website itself. How does Learn to Mod work? You must subscribe to this channel. It will be more than compensated once you have experienced how simple it is to navigate the website. It is possible to begin creating mods immediately after registering an account. If you are a first-time user, they have hundreds of coding assignments and tutorials to help you get up to speed quickly. Let's begin by creating a new server and inviting everyone to join it. After that, let's create a very simple mod. Number 1. Begin your server and join it. Go to Play, My Server, or click on the green box on the home page. Then press the Start Server button. To make Minecraft mods, start your server and join it. This will launch one of Learn to Mod servers, create a world, and then return the server's IP address. It will take between 5 and 10 minutes. Open Minecraft, specifically the 1.9.2 Java version for PC and Mac OS, while this is loading. Go to Multiplayer Direct Connect in Minecraft and type in the IP address in the text field. Then, on the next screen, click Join Server. Join the server by clicking the button. Pause your game and go code your mod once you're inside your server. Number 2. Make a mod. Then we'll make a mod. Click Play. Mods from the top navigation menu. To make a mod, simply give it a name, select Blockly or Multiplayer from the drop-down menu, and then click Code on the right-hand tile. Learn to Mod is written in Blockly. Scratch coding uses the same type of drag-and-drop blocks. There are several menus to choose from, each with its own set of blocks. Like puzzle pieces, these blocks connect to one another. Number 3. Begin coding. In this example, we'll create a simple mod that sends a message, spawns a mob, and equips the player with a weapon. First, we'll need a primary function. The beginning of our code is the function. To begin, go to the Functions menu. Then, on your white canvas, drag the first block. Finally, change the name of the main function. Number 4. Complete the rest of the mod's code. We'll speed things up a little and show you the finished code. Don't worry, because the blocks are color-coded, you should have no trouble locating the menus. The primary function's first line of blocks will simply send a message to the player. In front of the player, the second line will spawn a zombie. The third line rewards the player with a diamond sword. Number 5. Put your mod into action. Simply click the green mod button at the top of the page once you've finished coding your mod. This will send you a mod book, which you should keep in your mods chest. Grab the book from the chest. To run your mod, simply left or right click it once it's in your hand. This mod sends a message, summons a zombie, and bestows a diamond sword upon the player. Mods have the ability to change or add items, blocks, entities, and much more to the game. Presumably, you've already thought of a mod you'd like to make. Look into how to make a data pack, which does not require programming if you just want to add custom advancements, functions, loot tables, structures, recipes, or tags to your game. If you wish to customize textures, colors and designs, models, music, sounds, languages, splashes, fonts, or the final poem, look into how to make a resource pack. Perhaps you want to fork a favorite mod to make it compatible with newer Minecraft versions. Compatibility issues can arise between different mods. As a result, some mods, particularly those with different producers, may find themselves at odds with one another. To find the culprits, we recommend deactivating mods one by one until you track them down. After that, you'll have to decide which of them you want to keep and which ones you don't want to keep anymore. Mods can be disabled far more easily than they can be uninstalled, making them far more useful. Knowing how to install Minecraft mods has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. We hope you found the ultimate guide to Minecraft modding with Java in 2019 to be informative and helpful. If you found our Minecraft modding tutorial useful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could forward it to your friends. What is the best way to create a Minecraft server? What is the best way to code Minecraft mods with Forge? What programming language is used to create Minecraft mods? Tell us all these in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon back in the next video.